welcome to my channel. Today we're at Anime North in Toronto, and today's super exciting because I'll be one of the judges for Gundam Competition.
Anime North 2025 in Toronto took place from May 23rd to 25th, and this year Gunpla contest was bigger than ever. I was judging this year, and after months later, I finally get to show you guys a recap of what it was all about. And we had some times to browse around before it started. This is Naruto World, a store located near Danforth subway area in Toronto. I've been there a few times, and they mostly carry Japanese figurines, model kits, and toys. Here we found a Gamma hobby. Let's say hi to my friends. And selfie time. Before things even kicked off, we judges got some exciting updates about what was new this year. The biggest news? Anime North hosted the very first GBWC Regional of the year. That's a huge step forward for the contest, and such an honor for the community here in Canada. Here are some of the build tables, and those you see in blue t-shirts are the representatives from Canada Computer. They're one of the sponsors this year and are handing out free gifts to everyone. And see my picture pop up on the screen. Judging was way smoother this year. The registration sheets were redesigned to hide personal info, and the rules for 3D printing out-of-the-box builds and the new special category were updated. Speaking of categories, here's how the judging teams were broken down. GBWC entries were judged separately by the 2019 GBWC Canadian champion Nicholas and Simon, the world champion of 2023. Other than the 2023 world champion, Simon also won first place as Canada's GBWC representative 3 times in 2017, 2022, and 2023. The All Gunpla team handled out of the box 1144, 1100, and the special Gundam Wing category. I was on the judging team there, alongside head judge Simon, team, and Nicholas. Then there was the other mecha, vehicle, and figure teams, who handled everything from Evangelion and Macross to fantasy figures and sci-fi vehicles. And here's Tim from IPMS Hamilton and Arthur from Agama Hobby. And I know you can never find me more exciting than this, running out to take picture with the Strike Freedom.
You guys probably seen our logo.
Our 3-sided logo.
As in there's 3 clubs in the logo.
But this year, we've got something special. You may have seen our pins. To celebrate the 30th anniversary of Wing.
These gentlemen have helped us, sponsored us, and supported us throughout the years to make the space what it is today, and we're going to continue to coordinate with them in the coming years to make you guys a better and amazing spot for our model and hobby area.
With Ariel and Vicky keeping the energy high, it was our turn to step up and introduce ourselves. And that's Frank, also from IPMS. We did a bunch of raffle draws, but I didn't win anything. Then it was time to announce the winners and hand out some medals and prizes.
We'll see you again next year. Thank you, everyone.
Anime North 2025 was a huge success, and being part of the judging team was such an amazing experience. I can't wait to see how it grows next year. I know I'm sharing this a little late, since this happened back in May. But moving kept me busy. If you enjoyed it, make sure to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.